Magandang umaga, good morning, andito kami sa labas. We're here outside. I'm with mom and let's continue doing affixes, and for today, let's have ipa. Well, that's the infinitive form of the prefix, and for the future tense, we have ipapa, present, ipinapa, and past tense, ipina. I'm going to put that as well sa ibaba, sa description section, so you can check on that. How are we gonna describe that, mama? Well, dead ma. I don't know of any other way to describe or explain using the prefix, but it is used to say that you're having something done, or you're having something being done by someone, or you're having, when I mean, like, for example, I'm talking to you guys and I'm telling you that I'm having something being done by someone. So let's have examples. For the basic form, ipa, let's use the verb, the root verb, pitas. Pitas means pick. Since we're here in the garden, example, I know that mom is here outside and gardening, so I went out here para ipapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya. I know mom is here gardening, so I went out here to have mom pick the bitter melons. They're there.
Okay.
Okay, for the future tense, ipapa. Now, I'm going to tell you guys that ipapapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya. I'm going to ask mom to pick the bitter melons. I'm gonna talk to mom and ask her to pick the bitter melons. Ipapapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya. I'm going to ask mom to pick the bitter melons. Ma, pwede mo bang pitasin ang mga ampalaya?
Ito.
Mama, can you pick the bitter melons?
Yes.
Okay.
Here.
So, let's have an example with the present tense. Now, mom is currently
there.
picking the bitter melons.
Already here.
Ipinapapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya. I'm having mom pick the bitter melons. Better.
Better melons.
Better melons. Bitter
Fruit.
melons.
Fruit.
Well, you already did it. So, let's do the past tense. Ipinapitas. Ipinapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya.
Ito na. Napitas na.
Ipinapitas ko kay mama ang mga ampalaya.
Ayan ba yung kanina?
I'm just kidding.
Yan ba yung
Pinapalinis ni
tilapia?
Papa yung isda.
Ayan na yung tilapia?
Oo.
Pinapalinis
Ang
ni
bilis
Papa
pala.
yung isda.
Sana.
Don? Tapos
Dan.
na. Ipinalinis ni Papa ang isda. Ipinalinis. Ipinahiwa namin at ipinatimbang yung mga karne. Diba? Ipinahiwa namin at ipinatimbang yung mga karne. And let's not forget to say thank you. Thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.